Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This offline session or offline class is for the students of class 8th. It is subject science, and we have taken a chapter number 14, friction. Class 8th, subject science, chapter 14, friction. जैसा कि हमने इसको डिटेल में पढ़ा है, आज हम इसके क्वेश्चन करेंगे पेज नंबर 183 सफ़ा 183 पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के 10 पार्ट हैं। हम इन पार्ट्स के आंसर लिखने की कोशिश करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, पार्ट नंबर 1, व्हाई आर द worn टायर्स discarded? Why are the worn टायर्स डिस्कार्डेड? आप इसका आंसर लिखोगे worn टायर्स आर डिस्कार्डेड एज देयर grooves worn out, making the surface smooth and harder to stop the car as the friction is less in smooth objects. दूसरा पार्ट, why do carom coins move faster on carom board when dusted with talcum powder? इसका आंसर आप लिखोगे by adding talcum powder to the carom board we are simply reducing friction on the board, which is indirectly increasing the tendency of carom coins to move easily. Part 3rd, तीसरा पार्ट, why is the surface of conveyor belt made rough? Why is the surface of conveyor belt made rough? ये कन्वेयर बेल्ट रेलवे स्टेशन पर, एयरपोर्ट्स पर या मशीनरी में ये इस्तेमाल होता है। पैसेंजर्स का लगेज एयरपोर्ट्स, रेलवे स्टेशन पर पैसेंजर के जो लगेज होते हैं उनको उठाने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं कन्वेयर बेल्ट। क्वेश्चन है व्हाई इज़ द सरफेस ऑफ कन्वेयर बेल्ट मेड रफ? इनका सरफेस रफ क्यों बनाया जाता है? इसका आंसर आप लिखोगे कन्वेयर बेल्ट्स आर मेड रफ टू इंक्रीज द फ्रिक्शन between belt and pulley so that to slow down the speed of the machine. Due to slow speed, no luggage slides over another, and this makes passengers easy to collect their luggage. पार्ट नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का जो चौथा पार्ट है, Why is the sewing machine often oiled? सिलाई की जो मशीन होती है इस्तेमाल करते करते फिर दर्जी उसमें अक्सर तेल डालते हैं। Why is the sewing machine often oiled? इसका आंसर आप लिखोगे constant use of sewing machine makes the surface of its moving parts irregular, that increase the friction, resulting in a slow speed and more energy wastage. A less viscous oil acts as a lubricant in the machine that makes the surface smooth, reducing friction. Less energy usage, but more and faster work. That is why sewing machine is often oiled. इसका 5वां पार्ट, why do new automobile tires have deep grooves? Why do new automobile tires have deep grooves? The tires with deep grooves are the kind of irregular surface, since the friction is caused due to the interlocking irregularities of two surfaces the friction between the tires and the road increases. This slows down the speed of the vehicle, resulting in the less chances of accidents. It also helps applying the brakes safely. इसके बाद पार्ट नंबर 6. Why does a ball rolling on the ground slow down? Why does a ball rolling on the ground slow down? जब हम गेंद को फेंकते हैं ग्राउंड पर, वो फिर रुक जाती है, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता फिर वो रुक जाती है, क्यों? Why does a ball rolling on the ground slow down? Answer: when the ball rolls on the ground, a part of the ball and the ground surface gets continuously deformed, thereby increasing the rolling friction between the two. The increase in the friction reduces the speed of the ball. Since a limiting force is applied to the ball, it slows down after moving a small distance. Part 7. Why are the boats and aeroplane given special shape? Why are the boats and aeroplane given special shape? Answer: the boats and aeroplane is given a special shape. In case of boat, the friction between water, and in case of aeroplane, the friction between air is reduced to a large extent. These also offer the least resistance to the water and air and help them to move or fly with a lot of speed. आज हम इसके इतने ही पार्ट करेंगे ताकि ये अपलोड हो सके. बाकी वसलाम, खुदा हाफिज़.